And what can I say about Tamara and how she helped us publish our book, Partnership Playbook? Um, she was awesome. I didn't realize how much work was really involved in getting a professional looking book published and marketed.
It's so much. It's so much.
It's crazy.
I mean, from the book cover, from the layout, from the structure of the book. I mean, she was amazing in helping us kind of put all. We never been able to do it without her.
She put so many features and bells and whistles in this book that, I mean, it stands up to any other book out there as far as I'm concerned. And it definitely sets itself apart from people that just upload their books and call it a day. I mean, she helped, again, make the book interactive with QR codes. She did extensive research on category and keywords. She set up all of our KDP and Author Central accounts. It's been a huge help. Like I couldn't imagine having to do this by ourselves.
Yeah, I mean, between doing the front end and the back end part of getting the book on Amazon, it was all of the structure and really for us accountability that we needed around that in order to promote the book, from text messaging plans and email campaigns, and helped us really kind of get that #1 bestseller status on Amazon that we wanted.
Yeah, she did a great job with building out our author profiles, the A+ graphics, which you don't see everywhere. She had a true strategy to get #1 bestseller status, and she nailed it. She helped us practice live stream the marketing, and it was really, I mean, gosh, she's helping us now. She launched our Kindle and is now doing our audiobook.
It's been super cool to see the audiobook. That's been a great process. She's been I mean, she just picked up and took care of everything
yeah, it's awesome. She earns every penny. And I would, I had zero problem paying her or recommending her. She's been absolutely awesome to work with, and she kept 2 guys accountable that are sometimes hard to keep accountable.
These 2 guys. Yeah, it was great working with her. We had a lot of fun. It was a lot more fun than I thought. I mean, it's work, but it was a lot more fun than I thought it would be. And I would absolutely recommend Tamara to anybody that wants to launch a book for sure.
Thanks, Tamara, for seeing this.
Thank you so much.